Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to lock WhatsApp chat in iOS. WhatsApp has introduced a new feature for iOS called Chat Lock, which adds an additional layer of security to your most private conversations. When you lock a chat, it gets removed from your main inbox and placed in a secure, locked folder accessible only with your device's password, Face ID, or Touch ID. This feature also hides the contents of notifications related to locked chats, so no message previews are displayed, ensuring extra privacy for sensitive conversations. To lock a chat, simply open WhatsApp, go to the chat you want to secure, tap on the contact or group name, and select the Lock Chat option. Once a chat is locked, it can be accessed by pulling down on the inbox to reveal a Locked Chats folder, where you'll enter your Face ID, Touch ID, or password to open it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.